Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can get screenshot notification on Messenger. Well, it's quite easy. So first of all, you'll have to turn on the disappearing mode on your Messenger, for which you can simply open your Messenger and then open the chat that you want to turn on the screenshot notification of, just like this specific chat. Now from here, tap on their profile just like this, and then we'll get to the settings of this chat, from which if you scroll down a bit, here you can get the option of disappearing messages under privacy and support. Simply tap on it, and then here you can get the option of 24-hour. Simply tap on 24-hour just like this, and now you can go back. Now we have successfully turned on our disappearing mode, from which your messages will only stay for 24-hour. If we get back to our chat, just like this, here you can see this kind of dotted line, which means you are on the disappearing mode. Now from this mode, you will get the notification whether they are screenshotting your chat or not, or if you also screenshot the chat, they will also be notified of that. For example, I'm going to send them a chat just like this, and here you can see I have sent them chat, and if I want to screenshot them, I can simply do that. Just like this, here you can see I have screenshotted the chat and it says that you took a screenshot. So just like this, if they take a screenshot of your chat, you will also be notified just like this. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.